How to check copyright strikes on YouTube Studio. Worried about copyright strikes on your channel? Let's walk through how to check them in YouTube Studio. So if you're on YouTube, go ahead and scroll down at the left side of your screen and look for YouTube Studio and simply click on it. Now that will take you into your YouTube Studio dashboard, and then from here head over into the Content tab. Now go ahead and head over into the type of content where you want to check copyright strikes from. If a video has a copyright claim or strike, it would be flagged here. It would be flagged under the restrictions tab. So to be able to check if it is copyright flagged, simply open up that specific video, and then inside it, you'd be able to find this restrictions section, and then you'd be able to find copyright from there. And that is how you can basically check copyright strikes on YouTube Studio.